First question, how many junior developers are here? Oh, quite a few. Okay, it's a presentation especially for you because I am a junior developer myself. And last month, our colleague told about the imposter syndrome, told about how he trying to fight with it. And I also started to think about it. And actually the best solution for the imposter syndrome is to learn. And learn how. The best is to learn fast. And I started asking this question for myself. And because I'm still learning, I asked somebody who is more wise than me. I asked one of the best and the greatest minds of the 20th century, the guy who actually was in the age of 23. He was in the team of Project Manhattan, who creates an atomic bomb. After that, he just go to quantum computers and quantum physics. Richard Feynman, the great explainer. The method which he developed was written in this book, Genius, the Life of Science of Richard Feynman by James Gleick. And everything he touches, it's quite simple, brilliant, yet powerful. This method tells about the 4 steps how you can learn and master almost any part of the science, including development. The first step is to pick a topic you want to learn and start studying it. It's quite simple. You need to pick one thing. For example, I don't know, I want to learn React. I want to learn Vue.js. I want to learn the JavaScript itself. Yes, one take at a time. And start to learning. Take tutorials on YouTube, take some lessons, read some books, started to learn, gain this knowledge. And then comes the second step. The second step is to pretend you teach somebody else. And this is one of the most powerful part of this method. Why? Take a rubber duck, take a teddy bear, take your girlfriend, and try to, if you like to risk, you can, and start to pass this, start to explain what actually you learned, and you quickly realize that there are some gaps you need to fill out. But again, if you want to explain something, you need to literally hammer it in your head. And when you start explaining something, you get stuck. Definitely you will get stuck. And if you do this, get back to the materials. Get back to YouTube channels, get back to the books, and we have this inner circle. I said it's a similar like a Scrum. Yes, you just need to run some sprints, checks, and go further. After that, if you go to this point, and you can simplify all ideas, take them and say in the simple analogies, simple words, and actually you'll be able to explain everything to a rubber duck that the rubber duck will understand it, means that you really gain this knowledge and you're really a person who knows what he is or she is talking about. One of the things that Richard Feynman said, study hard. Study hard. What interests you in the most undisciplined and irrelevant and original manner possible. And he really does that. One of the greatest theories, mathematical theories he made in the strip club. So the method is just one of the methods. So you can always challenge this. But remember, when you challenge something and trying to explain, find the arguments, then you learn the most. So my name is Chris. I'm a junior developer, and I'm really eager to learn JavaScript. Thank you.